Jamie! Finally, we meet in the flesh. You know, in the old days, we didn't even know our roommates' names before we showed up at school.
That would suck.
Seriously, how did people live before Facebook?
Miss Holden! You look so much prettier in person.
Yeah, video chats are not kind. I'll try to forget that next time I'm talking to your father.
Hey, Emmeline. I met some guys from the lacrosse team and they invited us to a party tonight.
Awesome. Hey, did you find if we can get into the locker room today? I want to stow my gear.
Yeah? Up until 4. But you'll need to get your student ID first. The admin building could be further away, but I've already found a shortcut.
Cool. I need to stop by the bookstore, too.
No worries. Got you covered. Hi, I'm Alexandra Jones. I'm 16. I'm auditioning for Jamie Foster.